You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Okay, how fast is technology really moving right now? I mean, what does all this speed actually mean for our lives, for our security, even for how we measure time?
It's a lot to track.
Definitely. Welcome, everyone. We've got some fascinating stuff in front of us today. Everything from AI breakthroughs that are, well, literally protecting us to a totally new kind of business deal popping up.
Right.
Our goal here is to connect some of these dots, pull out the key bits that show where tech is heading and, why it matters to you.
Exactly. It's about seeing that bigger picture, those aha moments, when you see how these different pieces fit together and start to change things fundamentally.
Okay, let's jump in, starting with AI insecurity. We're hearing about Google DeepMind and Project Zero, and this AI agent they call Big Sleep. What's the story there?
Well, what's really striking about Big Sleep is that it actively looks for unknown security problems in software. It's not just reacting to stuff we already know about.
It's proactive.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And it apparently just helped Google stop an imminent exploit. So basically a cyber attack that was about to happen. That might actually be a first for an AI agent out in the real world.
Wow. So like a digital bloodhound sniffing out trouble before it starts. Does that mean human security folks are out of a job?
No, not really. It actually changes their job. Think of it as boosting their abilities. Instead of spending time on tedious scans, human teams can focus on the really tricky strategic threats.
The things AI can't quite handle yet.
Exactly. So it scales up their impact hugely. We move from just patching problems to this AI-driven defense. It makes things inherently safer.
Okay, so from keeping data safe,
Yeah.
what about finding our way? What happens if GPS isn't reliable? I saw something about an alternative from Airbus's Acubed and Sandbox AQ, MagNav.
That's right, MagNav. It's fascinating. It uses quantum physics seriously to measure these unique magnetic signatures in the Earth's crust.
Quantum physics to navigate.
Yeah. And then an AI algorithm matches those signatures to figure out your exact location, really precisely.
That's wild. So not satellites, but the actual ground beneath us. And with GPS jamming and spoofing becoming more of a problem, this sounds important.
It definitely is. The big hurdle, though, is mapping those magnetic signatures accurately across the globe. That's a huge task.
Right.
But the potential is there for a fundamental shift in navigation, something much more resilient, especially in tricky situations.
Okay, speaking of mind-bending stuff, precision timekeeping.
Yeah.
NIST has an ion clock setting new records.
Oh, yeah. This clock is accurate to 19 decimal places. 19
Wow.
is about 2.6 times more stable than any other ion clock out there.
And that's not just for knowing the time, right?
Not at all. That kind of precision is vital for things like quantum computing.
Mhm.
But it also lets scientists test fundamental physics like, are things like the speed of light really constant? It could open up physics beyond what we currently know.
Amazing how that basic science feeds into future tech. So switching gears a bit, how quickly is all this AI stuff actually being adopted? We saw the artificial analysis AI adoption report for the first half of this year. Anything jump out?
Yeah, a couple of things. Companies are definitely moving AI into production now, not just experimenting. Engineering and R&D seem to be the big use cases so far.
Makes sense.
And the market shares are shifting. Google, xAI, DeepSeek seem to be gaining ground. Meta and Mistral lost a bit. Oh, and interestingly, companies seem open to using Chinese AI models as long as they're hosted outside China.
Huh. Pragmatism over origin, maybe. Now, AI isn't just changing products, it's even changing how deals get done. This halo effect. Hire and license out. What is that?
It's a new structure, yeah. Instead of buying a whole startup, a bigger company hires the core team. And, crucially, they get a non-exclusive license to the startup's technology for, significant fees.
Non-exclusive, so the original startup.
It keeps going under new leadership, often. The fees go to the investors and employees of the original team. It's still pretty new. People are figuring it out. But it's a really different way to handle innovation and talent transfer.
Very different. And just thinking about the speed again, we hear AI is killing the classic 5-year IT project. It's all quick integrations now. And Meta wanting data centers the size of parts of Manhattan.
Yeah.
For super intelligence. It's just relentless.
It absolutely is. We're seeing these rapid, sometimes unexpected shifts everywhere.
Yeah.
Security, navigation, business deals, fundamental science. The old rules are being rewritten.
So what's the bottom line here?
I think it raises a really important question for everyone listening. In a world changing this fast,
Right.
where even basic ideas are shifting, how do you personally adapt? How do you leverage these changes in your work, in your life?
It's a lot to think about. From AI security guards to quantum navigation, clocks measuring tiny fractions of a second, and new ways to build businesses, the pace is incredible.
It certainly is. Food for thought.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for joining us today. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and maybe ponder what a world looks like with AI agents, quantum compasses, and city block data centers.
Spoken Tech for your ears.